Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to read deleted Android messages. So guys, if you have deleted some messages on your Android phone and you want to read them again, here I will show you how can you do this or whether you can do this or not. So guys, first of all, I have opened my messages on my Android phone, and from here you will see all of my messages. And if I am trying to delete this chat, here you will see. So guys, simply press and hold the chat and then tap on delete button, and it says this is permanent and cannot be undone. So guys, delete this conversation and it will give you a pop-up. This is permanent and cannot be undone. So guys, basically if you want to delete this conversation, then this conversation will be permanently deleted and there will be no option to get this back. So guys, here you can see this. If you tap on delete button, then the chat will be deleted and it will not be recovered anymore. So guys, basically the chat is permanently deleted and it will not be available again if you want to restore it. So guys, basically there is no option in Android mobiles to read the deleted messages if you delete them permanently. So guys, if you want to still read the deleted messages, then you have to simply go to your Play Store and then search for messages. And from here you will see different messages apps. So guys, here you can see this, you can get different messages apps from here. So guys, basically you have to simply get any messages app or messaging app from here, and then you have to simply install that app on your device. So guys, basically some apps that are on App Store are giving you option to delete your chats temporarily. So guys, here you can see this. If you get any app which allows you to delete the chats temporarily, then you have to simply install that app, and using that app you will be able to see deleted messages again. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.